All right, everybody, for this video, I'm going to cover a VS Code extension called CDNJS. I already have it installed, but if you go to your extensions icon over here, and I have it installed, so I will remove that. And if you search CDNJS, it will bring up the name of the extension. And you can see it's a pretty robust extension. It allows you to pull in CDNs from the CDNJS repository, which is located at cdnjs.com. So what I'm going to demonstrate here, I'm going to pull in a script in a couple different ways. First, I'll pull in with the option to copy a link to the clipboard. And then down here, we'll place the entire script source in the HTML page here directly above the closing body tag. And how you initialize the extension search is I do on a Windows keyboard, Control Shift and P, and then CDNJS will appear somewhere in this list. I use it often, so it's at the top of my list. And when I click on it, I get an option to search. So in this particular case, I'm going to search for jQuery, and I'm going to hit enter. And then it's going to give you everything that has the name jQuery in the title. The top one is the main jQuery JavaScript library. And then you get a version to choose from. This goes all the way back to version 1.7. And if you just hit enter on the current version, then it will give you the option to pull in the unminified version, minified, the .map, and then the slim and slim map versions. So I'm going to pull in the jQuery minified version. And here I'll have the option to insert the script with the source to jQuery directly in the document. And then there's a variety of other options as well, which we'll go over next with the animate.css. But you can copy the script to your clipboard. You can insert the URL or copy the URL to your clipboard, or you can open it in another browser. In this case, I'm just going to insert it directly into the document. And as you can see on the bottom here, it just places it directly in. Now up here for the animate.css, I'm going to demonstrate this a little bit differently, but it's pretty much the same process. I've already got the link tag here, so I am going to call up CDNJS, and then we're going to search for animate.css, and there's the library there. And now I'm going to pull the current version, and I want to get the minified version. And now I want to simply copy the URL to the clipboard. So now it's copied to the clipboard, and now I can go in between these quote marks and paste it directly in. And now I've got access to that library and all of its components. Same thing with jQuery. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. As always, if you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.